Let's talk about how to hide those annoying cords that hang from your table lamps and clutter your space. These are 5 simple ways to get rid of those pesky cables and elevate the look of your home. Number 1, match your cord to your room. First, it's important when buying your lamps or light fixtures that the accompanying cords match your room surroundings. You're going to have a much harder time hiding a gray cord among white walls than you would a white cord. And I know it sounds juvenile, but you'd be surprised by how many people don't realize the impact of a camouflaged cord. Number 2, follow the lines of your furniture. Now, this is something almost everyone can do to minimize the visual impact these cords have on your room's aesthetics. You can use tape or zip ties to secure the cords and disguise them amongst your existing decor. This option is also renter-friendly and doesn't require any screws or nails which could permanently damage your space. Number 3, tuck your cords under a rug. If you have cords that bunch up on the floor and there isn't any nearby furniture, rugs are another workaround. You can tuck cords under a rug, but be sure to only do this in a place where not many people walk through, because if people are stepping on the cords, it could impact the light. The back of a couch or room corner is a great spot. Number 4, if all else fails, try rechargeable lights. Try rechargeable lights that are cordless. These are much easier to install compared to the typical lamp, so if your room needs a lighting refresh, this is something to consider. Number 5, create cable covers with craft supplies. If hiding the cords altogether doesn't work for your space, use craft supplies to DIY a statement piece for your room. Try using blocks, beads, or fabric to hide the cords while upcycling things you already have in your house. So, with these clever tips, you can keep your home tidy and stylish while still ensuring functionality. Thank you for watching, and please let us know in the comments if you found any of these tips particularly helpful.